Pleo Review, honest user experience and full guide to its features and payment tools. If you've ever had to chase down receipts or reimburse employees manually, you know how painful business expenses can be. That's where Pleo steps in, a smart company card and expense management tool designed to make spending easy, transparent and automated. Here's my honest review, and what using it feels like day to day. Pleo offers prepaid company cards for teams, allowing employees to make approved purchases without waiting for reimbursements. The magic lies in its automation. Each time you spend, the Pleo app automatically logs the transaction, categorizes it, and even matches it with uploaded receipts. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just another prepaid card, but it's actually an end-to-end expense system. Setup is quick. After signing up, you can issue virtual or physical cards instantly and set custom spending limits per employee. The dashboard gives real-time visibility into who spent what and why. That transparency eliminates awkward reimbursement conversations and simplifies accounting. Pleo also integrates with major accounting platforms like Xero and QuickBooks, syncing expenses automatically. In my experience, that alone saves hours of manual entry each week. The only drawback? Pleo isn't ideal for tiny businesses or solo freelancers. Its real power shows in teams that handle multiple expenses and departments. Overall, Pleo is one of the smartest tools out there for modern businesses. It saves time, reduces errors, and gives finance teams total control over company spending. If you want to bring automation and trust to your company's finances, Pleo is definitely worth it.